Hey everyone, it's Ali, and let's face it, we all want to be financially secure. In a world filled with luxury cars and designer brands, it's easy to assume that wealthy people always spend big. But the truth is, many of these people are actually broke. The truly wealthy live much differently, prioritizing long-term security over short-lived pleasures. Take Warren Buffett, worth billions, yet he still lives in the same house he bought in the 1950s. In today's video, we'll explore the frugal money habits that the wealthy embrace and how you can adopt these strategies to build your own financial success. These are the habits that will help you achieve financial freedom. At the core of the wealthy's financial habits is living below their means. This principle is not just a strategy, but a lifestyle choice that prioritizes long-term financial health over short-term gratification. It's not about being cheap, it's about being smart. Making informed decisions on where and how to spend your money can make a significant difference in your financial journey. Spending less than you earn and saving where you can. This means creating a budget, tracking your expenses, and finding areas where you can cut back without sacrificing your quality of life. Every dollar you save is a dollar that can grow your wealth. Small savings can accumulate over time, leading to substantial financial growth. The wealthy understand the power of saving and investing. They know that money saved today can be invested to generate more income in the future. By living below their means, they free up income for investments. This allows them to take advantage of opportunities that can further increase their wealth. Let's say you get a raise. Instead of upgrading your lifestyle, invest that extra income. This disciplined approach can lead to significant financial gains over time. Ronald Reagan, a gas station attendant, amassed over $8 million by living modestly and investing in blue-chip stocks. His story is a testament to the power of frugality and smart investing. Living below your means isn't about deprivation, it's about freedom. It's about making choices that align with your long-term goals and values. It's about having the financial security to pursue your passions and weather unexpected storms. This security provides peace of mind and the ability to take risks when opportunities arise. Ultimately, it's about living life on your own terms. Financial independence allows you to make choices that are best for you and your family. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Consistent, disciplined financial habits can lead to long-term success and stability. Wealthy individuals understand the difference between needs and wants. They prioritize genuine needs like housing, food, healthcare, and education. This doesn't mean they deny themselves indulgences. They are mindful about how they spend on wants, prioritizing experiences and lasting value. For example, they might choose a family vacation over a luxury car. The key takeaway is to be intentional with your spending. Before making a purchase, consider if it aligns with your values and long-term goals. Every dollar spent on a want is a dollar that can't be invested in your future. By prioritizing needs and making conscious choices about wants, you can build wealth. Achieve your financial dreams by being mindful of your spending. One of the biggest traps people fall into is lifestyle inflation, spending more as you earn more. It's a common pitfall that can derail even the best financial plans. The wealthy avoid this trap by maintaining a stable lifestyle even as their wealth grows. They understand that true wealth isn't about flashy possessions, but about financial security and freedom. They don't feel the need to constantly upgrade possessions. Instead, they focus on maintaining what they have and making thoughtful, deliberate purchases. The key is to be content with what you have and focus on what truly matters. This means valuing experiences and relationships over material goods. Find joy in experiences, relationships, and personal growth, not material possessions. These are the things that bring lasting happiness and fulfillment. Set financial goals and stick to a budget, even when your income increases. This discipline helps you stay on track and avoid unnecessary spending. The more you spend, the more you need to earn to maintain that lifestyle. This can create a cycle of stress and financial pressure. By resisting lifestyle inflation, you can break free from working just to pay for an expensive life. This freedom allows you to focus on what truly matters to you. You'll have more money to invest, leading to greater financial freedom. Investing wisely can help you build wealth over time and achieve your financial goals. Ultimately, it's about long-term security and happiness. By avoiding lifestyle inflation, you can ensure a more stable and fulfilling future for yourself and your loved ones. While budgeting might seem unnecessary for the wealthy, they understand its importance. It's a common misconception that budgeting is only for those who are struggling financially. In reality, even the wealthiest individuals use budgets to maintain and grow their wealth. They meticulously track income, expenses, and investments to ensure alignment with their financial goals. This detailed tracking helps them identify areas where they can save more or invest more wisely. Budgeting isn't about restricting freedom, it's about gaining control over your finances. It provides a clear picture of where your money is going and helps you make informed decisions. It allows you to allocate resources to support your priorities, whether that's saving for a vacation, investing in a new business, or simply ensuring you have enough for retirement. Think of it as a roadmap for your money. Just like a map guides you to your destination, a budget guides your financial decisions and helps you stay on track. There are countless budgeting methods. Find one that works for you. Whether it's the envelope system, zero-based budgeting, or using a digital app, the key is consistency. The wealthy regularly review their budgets and make adjustments as needed. This regular review helps them stay flexible and adapt to any changes in their financial situation. They're not afraid to make sacrifices to free up money for priorities. This might mean cutting back on luxury items or dining out less frequently to save for something more important. Budgeting isn't about depriving yourself, it's about making conscious choices. It's about understanding your financial habits and making adjustments to better align with your goals. By tracking income and expenses, you can cut back and redirect funds towards financial goals. This might involve canceling unnecessary subscriptions or finding more cost-effective alternatives. A budget can help you achieve your financial aspirations faster. By staying disciplined and focused, you can reach milestones that once seemed out of reach and celebrate those achievements with your loved ones. Wealthy individuals are savvy shoppers. They look for sales, use discount coupons, and negotiate prices. They understand that every dollar saved is a dollar earned. They compare prices and read reviews before making purchases. They buy in bulk when it makes sense and negotiate for better deals. Being a smart shopper isn't about being cheap, it's about being resourceful. Stretch your dollars further to achieve financial goals faster. Adopt these simple shopping habits to save money over time. Invest the savings in your future. Wealthy individuals often prioritize experiences over material possessions. Material things provide temporary satisfaction, but experiences create lasting memories. Experiences enrich our lives in ways that possessions can't. They broaden horizons and create lasting joy. The wealthy invest in experiences that bring fulfillment. This doesn't mean swearing off material possessions, but being mindful of their value. Next time you're tempted by an impulse purchase, consider if the money would be better spent on an experience. Invest in what brings lasting joy and fulfillment. While credit cards are convenient, they can lead to overspending. Many wealthy individuals prefer using cash or debit cards for everyday purchases. Physically handing over cash makes you more aware of spending. Credit cards can lead to a cycle of debt if not managed carefully. Use credit cards responsibly and pay off balances in full each month. If struggling with debt, switch to cash or debit cards to regain control. Save money by being mindful of your purchases. Wealthy individuals often embrace a DIY approach to save money. They take on many tasks themselves, from simple repairs to complex projects. This saves money and gives a sense of accomplishment. Start small and gradually take on more challenging tasks. There are countless online resources to learn DIY skills. Embracing a DIY mindset can save significant money over time. It's empowering to handle things yourself. Save money and gain self-reliance by embracing DIY. Wealthy individuals often reuse and recycle items. They understand that repurposing is good for the environment and the wallet. They buy high-quality items that last longer. They focus on value and durability, not trends. This mindset extends to energy and water consumption. They find ways to reduce their environmental impact and save money. Live sustainably and economically by reusing and recycling. Wealthy people understand that consistency in investing is key. They view investing as a marathon, not a sprint. They diversify investments to mitigate risk. You don't need to be a financial expert to invest successfully. Start investing early and do it consistently. Even small contributions add up over time. Let compound growth work in your favor. Wealthy individuals focus on long-term planning. They set long-term financial goals and develop plans to achieve them. They seek professional advice when needed. Financial planning is for everyone, not just the wealthy. Set clear goals and develop a solid plan. Seek professional advice to ensure financial well-being. Secure your financial future by planning ahead. Achieve long-term financial aspirations with a clear plan. Frugality is not about denying yourself the good things in life. It's about making smart choices that lead to long-term wealth. Find fulfillment in experiences, relationships, and personal growth. The habits of the wealthy are simple yet powerful strategies. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires discipline, patience, and smart choices. Align your spending with your values and goals. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on building wealth and achieving financial freedom.